Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a pull request in the Mautic low no-code repository. First, let's go to the Mautic low no-code repository. And then next, you want to fork this repository. So forking means to create a copy of this repository to your own GitHub account. And to do that, on the top right, you can find a fork button. Now you can click this button. And then you need to choose an owner. Because I already create a fork of this repository, I cannot click it anymore. But always choose your own personal GitHub account as an owner. And then you can click the Create Fork button. It redirects you to the fork repository, as you can see here. And then the next, you want to list your contribution to the current markdown file in this repository. As I'm recording this in year 2025, I will list my contribution in the 2025.md file. Now let's open that file. And then the next is to edit this file. So recently, I created a video tutorial as a contribution. So I would like to list this contribution in this file. And to do that, on the top right here, you can find a pencil icon to edit this file. Now you can click that. And then scroll down until the end of the file, where you can find this ongoing contribution section. Next is just copy the latest one and paste it just right under. And then change the name to your name and the GitHub username to your GitHub username. And then you want to copy the link to your contribution and change the link in the link to your contribution section or column. And then the next, you want to also change the notes to your contribution. So as for me is created a video tutorial. Maybe I just copy the title here. And that's it. Now you can scroll back up and you can see this commit changes button. And you can click that to commit your changes. And you can change the commit message to your contribution. For example, add video tutorial. And then always choose the create a new branch for this commit because you always want to commit these changes in a new branch. You can leave this as is, or you can also change the name of the branch, just like what I'm gonna do here. So I will say this new branch is add contribution and my name. And then click the Propose Changes button. And afterwards, let's go back to the low no-code repository, the original one, and then click this Compare and Pull Request button. Now you can add the title of your pull request, and I would say here is add video tutorial contribution to the list. And then you want to add the description here. We can say something like this PR adds a video tutorial contribution to the file name. Or maybe also by me. And then click the Create Pull Request button. And that's it. Now you can just wait for the maintainer to approve your PR and it will be merged to the main branch. Thank you.